A non-militant suspected to be value-based groups ambushed Assam rifles near Sehken village near India-Myanmar border, Manipur. The incident occurred around 10 a.m. of November 13 at near Sehken village under Behyang police station of Singat subdivision, Churachandpur district, Manipur. The incident spot is close to India-Myanmar border, pillar number 43. It is said that 6 persons, including 3 quick response teams, were killed in the incident. Commanding officer of 46 Assam Rifles, wife and son, believed to be among those killed in the ambush. However, the report is yet to be confirmed. It is also learned that 2 villagers, Laliang Mang, 35 years old, and Thangja Mang, 45 years old, were detained by the Assam Rifles. Later, they were released. Colonel Biplab Tripathi, commanding officer, 46 Assam Rifles, wife, and his son died on the spot, and other injuries were evacuated at Behyang Primary Health Center.